Best free website builders for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the top website builders that I recommend for you as a beginner. So let's get into it. Now, I'm only going to be discussing two basic website builders in this video, which are Wix and Google Sites, and I'm going to be going into a bit more detail about how to operate both of these website builders, how to create your websites, and how to edit and manage them. So first off, we're going to start with Wix, which is the harder option. Now, both of these are very great for beginners. Why? Because they're simple, easy, and interactive to use. But Wix allows you a lot more customization, and the websites that you're going to be able to design and create on Wix are going to be a lot more professional looking, or they're going to be a bit better in the design element, while the websites that you create on Google Sites are going to be beautiful, they're going to be neat, but they're not going to have that kind of wow factor that Wix websites do have. So starting off with Wix, how do you actually get to creating your website and how do you edit that website? So you're just going to click on create new site over here, and this will open up the Wix website manager, and you can choose what kind of editor you want to use for your website. So you can use their editor X, which is for professionals, or their basic Wix editor, and I would recommend that you go with the basic Wix editor if you are a beginner. And once you have some experience with using the basic website editor, you can go on to the editor X. Now after that, you have to add what kind of website you're looking to create. So let's just say I want to create like a simple website. So I want to create like a blog, and I'm just going to click on next over here. And after you input that, they're going to ask you, what kind of widgets you want. So I'm just going to skip that because I don't want to, add them right now. I'm going to add them later on. And then they give you two options. And this is why I recommend this for beginners. They let you be able to create and edit your own website with templates or with, simple layouts. Or you can even simplify your work furthermore by using the Wix ADI to create your website for you. So if you're a beginner and you want to save time, you don't want to put in any effort whatsoever, you can just click on start now over here, and then you're just going to have to answer a couple of questions. So the Wix ADI is basically artificial intelligence that will take the answers that you give it, and then they will create a template for you, and then you can just customize anything you want within it, or you can just even leave it as it is and have your website published. So let's say I want to add the name for my blog. I want to add it as Tim's Food Journal. So I want to create Tim's Food Journal, and I'm just going to click on next over here. And I'm just going to skip over here because I don't have any links. I don't want to add any addresses or any kind of phone number, so I'm going to click on next over here. And now they're going to ask me what kind of theme I want. So maybe I want this to be like a minimal theme. And I'm going to continue on over here. So I want a minimal theme on my website. And then you're just going to answer all of the basic questions Wix is going to ask you. So we're just going to wait for the next question to show up. Now you can see over here, Wix has given me quite a few little homepage designs to choose from. So I have like these 3 homepage designs that I can choose from. And I really actually like this one. If the image was changed, I could really like this design. So I'm just going to click on use this design, and then you're going to click on over here. So they're going to give you like different pages that you can choose to add to your website or your blog or whatever kind of site you're creating. So I want a about page, and I also want a Instagram page that links to my Instagram, and I want a blank page where I can post about the food journaling, and that is around it. So I'm just going to click on edit site now, and now once I have done that and answered their basic questions, and I have like a basic layout of my website ready to go, Wix is going to lead me to their website editor where I can actually start beginning to edit the template or edit the basic kind of layout that I have created for myself. So you can see over here I have Tim's Food Journal, there's a home page, about page, a Instagram, and a blank page. So I'm just going to first off click on this image over here. I'm going to click on section design, and this is the design. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on gallery. So this is like the girl checking image that has been uploaded, and I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to click on settings over here, and I'm going to click on organize media, and then I just want to remove these images. So I'm just going to click on add more images, and I'm going to select a different image and add it onto my website. So once you have your design on Wix ready, once you've edited, the sections you want and you don't want, you're just going to click on publish over here, and then they're going to give you a free domain name as well. So that is another great thing that you get for free. So you get a free domain name, and I'm just going to change it into Tim's Food Journal. And you can connect your own domain name as well if you want, but I just like to use the free domain name. And we're just going to click on publish and continue. So now I have just published my Wix website and it is live, so I can just click on view site over here and my website is live and ready to go. So I can just easily create a website in under 10 minutes using Wix. Now, other than Wix for beginners, I actually recommend is Google Sites. Now, this is Wix and it's good, it's easy to use, but it can be a bit complicated if you're just starting out. And once you create your website, you actually have a very good website manager, which I really like about Wix, which I find to be the lacking point in Google. Although Wix can feel complicated, the website manager really does help you around a lot. So once you have your website ready, you can just go on to your manage.wix.com page, and from there what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on select site, and then you can start managing your website from this little dashboard that Wix gives you, so you can see the views, clicks, and all that good stuff from right over here. Now this is like your dashboard. On your home page you have your blog, you have subscriptions, you have contacts, communications, automations, SEO, analytics and reports, finances, and all that good stuff. And you can add your business overviews, you can add ads, you have your analytics, you have Facebook ads that you can run on Wix as well. So these are all the great integrations that are available on Wix. The other option for beginners is Google Sites, and Google Sites is also very fantastic. So you're just going to go on to sites.google.com, and what you're going to do is you're just going to click on over here. So you can just click on this blank icon over here to get started with creating your own Google Sites. Now Google Sites also has a few templates that you can pick from if you want, or you can just start off with a blank little website. So once you do that, this is going to be like a blank untitled page that you can start designing yourself. Now other than that, you can just go back onto your home page, and once you go on over here you have your template gallery. So they also provide you with a couple of templates. They're not a lot, but they're some nice and clean templates that you can edit and make your own. So let's say we have the student portfolio, and if I click on it and show you guys what it looks like, it will open it up in the Google website editor, and you can start editing it and making it your own as well. So we're just going to open up this template and I'm going to show you guys how to edit one. So you can see I have this basic template, and to edit anything you're just going to click on it, and then once you click on it, we can just click and edit the text. So let's say Tim's portfolio like this, and then you can change, the look of the text. You have your font on top. You have all of the text tools on top. And if you want to insert any section, you have these options on the right. So if you want to add, another text box, let's say I want to add, another text box below over here. So I'm just going to click on text box, and it will create a text box right under the section that I have selected. And I can add this is a sample only, or whatever kind of actual text box you want to add, or you can even add beautiful dividers. So if I scroll into the insert section over here, I can click on divider, and this will add a divider. And to remove any section within Google websites, what you're going to do is you're just going to click on the section, and you have this delete section right on your left side. So right on the left corner, you're going to find this, and we're just going to click on delete section, and now our section has been deleted. So this is how easy it is to create and edit websites on both Google and Wix. Now Google is a lot more easier, but you can see that a Google website does not have the same kind of impact that a Wix website does have, but it is still a very gorgeous looking website. So if you want to add more pages, you're just going to go into the pages section on your right, and then you're just going to click on over here. You have your different pages, and you're just going to click on the bottom plus icon, and then you can click on new page and create a new page, and you can name it whatever you want. And then you can go into your theme sections to change the overall theme of the entire website. So just by clicking on this theme section, I can change the look of the entire template as well. And once I have edited my entire template, what you're just going to do is you're going to click on publish over here at the top right. You're going to add the web address that you want. So we want Tim's portfolio, just like this, and this will tell you if it's taken or not. And I'm just going to add a number, and this is not taken, so I'm just going to click on publish over here, and just like that, it has been published. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like, and this is what it's looking like currently, but you can obviously customize as you go and add more stuff as you go. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.